Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's topic, the power of social listening. Social listening is super important. Social media contributes to social listening in so many ways. So you have to be ready to watch, listen, and learn. When customers talk about your brand, it gives you a really good opportunity to want to connect with the client themselves who are engaged and want to be engaged, learn how to get more followers, more people like them to follow and engage you as well. But the cool thing is it opens up opportunities to do the following. Understand your customer, narrow down your target audience, find new customers, increase your SEO visibility, which is really important. And last but not least, communicate from the brand to the consumer. These are the things that we need to learn about. What your customers are saying about you, okay? They're talking about your brand, right? They're talking about your products and services. They're learning about how that you can improve, or whether it's Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, Twitter, and make sure that you are not, working with spam, but also understanding that every possible engagement is super important to your brand. So it helps you improve your weaknesses by knowing all of these different points. Open your ears, take the criticism, learn from all of these things people are saying and what is important to the consumer. And let's respond in a positive way. No matter what the engagement is, if it be negative, that's fine. It improves you as a character. It improves your company. It improves everything about you. And how you answer those messages will portray to your client that you are in business to be in business and that you truly believe in your product. So I appreciate your time today, social listening. Again, coffee on you.